Hi beauties, today I have Beautystat and I'm going to show you how these work and how awesome they are. So first we're going to start with the Universal C Skin Refiner. So this is filled with 20% vitamin C and it's good for all skin types. It helps to retexturize, firm, and brighten the skin. I like how it comes in a pump bottle. So I like to use about 3 pumps for my face. And the texture is really smooth. It feels almost like a matte primer and it goes on the skin really nice and lightly. I like to apply it not only to my face, but also to the ears, my neck, upper chest, behind my neck, so that all of those areas can reap the benefits of this amazing vitamin C powered skin refiner. So yeah, also the tops of the shoulders, because those have gotten some sun damage over the years. But yeah, this goes on really nice and light and it feels great. No irritation of the skin whatsoever. So the next step is the Universal C Eye Perfector. So again, this has the vitamin C in it, but also it has caffeine, magnolia, and hemp oil, which are awesome ingredients to hydrate, strengthen the skin, also deal with puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. So let me show you this. So this also comes in a nice pump dispensing mechanism. So about half a pump is really all you need. That's about half a pump there. See? So I like to apply it with my ring finger because that's the finger with the least amount of strength. You want to put the least amount of pressure around the eye, delicate eye area. It's the thinnest skin of your body. So apply it to the orbital bone area, because if you put it too close to the eye, as the product heats up with your body temperature over time, it can start migrating towards your eye and can start irritating the inside of your eye. So if you put it on the bone area, it'll go where it's got to go. And I like to dab it in until it's nicely absorbed. But yeah, this also has that nice matte primer type texture. It feels nice and light, not greasy at all, and doesn't irritate my skin. But yeah, loving it. Next step, we finish with the Beautystat Universal Probiotic Moisture Boost Cream. I love this. This is the ultimate hydration because it's packed with hyaluronic acid, also with the bioferment nutrient complex, which helps to heal, strengthen, detoxify skin. That texture is really nice. It's almost like a gel consistency almost, but it's nice and goes on nice and light. So I like to apply that, again, not only to the face, but also to the neck, chest, ears, behind the neck, shoulders, so that all that skin can reap the benefits of this powerful healing skin product. But yeah, this goes on nice and light. It doesn't flake up or kick up on top of the other products that we just put on. And my skin is left feeling amazingly hydrated, but also firm and healthy and happy. Get a nice glow afterwards. And this whole combination of products, they all work together with your skin to leave you with a nice healthy glow. So again, we have the Universal C Skin Refiner, Universal C Eye Perfector, and the Universal Probiotic Moisture Boost Cream. All of these together is going to leave your face and skin feeling amazing and happy.